This is Sidney Lynne Hudson of Hudson Homes. We're here at 13345 Northwest Glenridge Drive. This amazing 1952 home is nearly 1,500 square feet, 2-bedroom, definitely could be 3 by putting up a wall, and 2 full bathrooms. This is an amazing location, amazing opportunity in Portland, Oregon, 13345 Northwest Glenridge Drive. Let's step inside. Here we are in the living room of this true mid-century modern home. I'm so privileged to be selling it for Mr. Duncan. His parents had this home designed and built in 1952. Right now it's in such a central location, and what a benefit to whoever gets this home to have nearly half an acre, to have as big a beautiful garden as you want. You could have a deck, you could have pool, you could have barbecues, you can do whatever you want on this giant yard. In this nearly 1,500 square foot home, you can customize it, take it from its original condition and style to whatever you want. My name is Sidney Lynne, and this is Hudson Homes Real Estate, 503-358-2048. For a free list of homes in this area, contact us. Thank you.